Do you want to sound natural in English? Here are 5 phrasal verbs that you hear every single day. First, figure out. It means to solve or understand something. म्हणजेच समजून घेणे किंवा उपाय शोधणे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, आय नीड टू फिगर आउट व्हॉट टू डू. Or, can you figure out this problem? Or, I'm trying to figure out the answer. Come up with. It means to create or think of an idea. म्हणजेच कल्पना सुचवणे किंवा तयार करणे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, कॅन यू कम अप विथ अन आयडिया? Or, she came up with smart plan. Get along. It means to have good relationship. म्हणजेच मिळून मिसळून राहणे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, do they get along? Or, I get along with my colleagues. Look forward to. It means to feel excited about something in the future. म्हणजेच आतुरतेने वाट पाहणे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, I'm looking forward to Friday. Or, we'll look forward to meeting you. Or, she's looking forward to her birthday. End up. It means the final result. Often unexpected. म्हणजेच शेवटी असे होणे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, we ended up staying home. Or, he studied engineering but ended up teaching. Or, he ended up being a doctor. यातील एक फ्रेझल वर्ब घ्या आणि ती आज दिवसातून 3 वेळा यूज करायचा प्रयत्न करा. दॅट्स इट फॉर द डे. सी यू टुमॉरो.